Slowly, slowly. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Saan ka punta?
Ha? Saan punta? Gala, baby.
O baka ano yung ano ni mami? Bigay na kay mami.
Saan punta? Kumaw?
Hey, Jean. Ganda naman ng baby na yan. Napakaganda naman ng anak ko. Sige, ito. Look at the camera, baby. Look. Look here. So pretty naman, my love. So pretty naman, my love. Sana, show your teeth. Show your teeth. No, show your teeth. Smile, smile. Smile. Ikaw ang sinabi nila, labas mo yung buong ibig mo.
Wow, Mommy!
I love you. Ganda.
Daddy!
Happy? Happy, baby. Gagala ang baby namin. Mga, I love you. Nakikimarites siya dun sa ibang bata. Baby, nakikimarites ka dun sa ibang bata. Oh, may flower kasi. I will buy you balloon later, okay? Mama will buy you balloon later. You want? You want balloon? You want balloon? You want balloon? Ayaw magsalita. Silence means yes. Silence means yes. Ganda ng baby ko, oh. Ang ganda naman ng baby na yan. Ang ganda naman. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Why? At ang malikot sa likod ko. Ayun, ah. Ayaw magpapahawak. Ayaw magpapahawak. Oh, oh, oh.
Mommy!
Why? Ayaw magpahawak eh. Hawak na kay mama, hawak. Hawak. Ayaw niya, di ba? Ayaw magpahawak. Eggnog. Tapos lalawayan niya. Pagkalaway niya, tsaka niya susubusan. No, nagawa niyang candy. Candy yan? Sa na candy?
Oh, egg!
Eggnog. Bigat mo? Sa na candy?
No, egg! Egg!
O, bakit mo dinidilaan if it's an egg? Candy lang dinidilaan. Kakaw. Kakaw. I love you. Kakaw. at Vikings. Tapos celebrate si Mama and Papa ng Valentine's. And papasok na po sila. Waiting na lang matawag. Milk na ang baby. Nandito kami sa French Baker. Dito kami mag-dinner. Sina Mama na sa Vikings. Matutulog to. For sure matutulog to. 5:30 ng alas 8 to matutulog. Sakto pagising mo, konting lakad tayo sa labas sa sinalolo. Nagising na din, pero nakapigit pa, antok pa. 5:30 siya nakatulog, 8:30 na. 3 hours ka natulog na, 3 hours tayo dito sa French Baker. Wake up na baby loves ko. Naantok pa nga siya. Antok pa. Aray! Namumulot na naman siya. I love you. Wake up na po baby loves ko. I love you. Antok pang baby ko. Antok pa. Mula natulog pa nga siya ulit talaga naman. Ayan. Donut ang request ng aking kagi for today. That's rainbow. You eat that donut ha, not just the sprinkle, okay? You eat that all ha, okay? Finish it ha, okay? Ganyan siya kumain ng donut. Pinukod-kod niya lang. Finish it. Mama is okay. I have choco butternut here. You finish that. Yummy? Is it yummy? Baby, is it yummy? Mireya, Mama's talking to you. Siyempre, busy siya. Busy siya, busy. Mahulog ha? Hold it maayos. Mahulog. Yummy? Is it yummy? Yummy? Okay? Okay? Yummy donut? You have a heart-shaped balloon, no? Nangingi si Mama ng heart-shaped balloon, no? Do you want the balloon? You want the balloon? Busy siyang kumain. Just one. Ganda naman ng baby ko. Thank you, Lord. Meron akong magandang Mireya din. Ang sarap ng kain. Are you happy with your balloon? Ha, baby? Sino bigay ng balloons? Ha? Who give you the balloons? Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Hoy, Mireya Jean! Pakali ko talaga ng anak ko na to. Oh, 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 oh. Oo, Mireya! Stop, baby, stop, stop. Tatama eh, tatama eh. Stop na. Gabi na, ang likot-likot mo ka eh. Got na baby. Oh, stand! Yung damit mo. The dirty. Tabi kami dadan anak. Yellow car. Go down na, go down. Nakakatawa. Ano siya oh, nakakagula no. Nagalit yung guard sa'yo, sige. Diyan na yung guard, huhulihin ka na.
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever oh so clearly. We might have been in love before, but I never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we wanna go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can't be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world might change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, our love will lead the way for us, like a guiding star. With you I see forever oh so clearly. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Oh, nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can't be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world might change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you.
So kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance. Silver moon sparkling. So kiss me.